Hello everyone, this is my review of the Orison21 outdoor ceiling fan with light. The setup was painless. It's a plug-in design, so no hard wiring is needed. The build feels solid and weather-ready, perfect for outdoor spaces. I can adjust the fan for proper airflow, different temperatures, and moods. The built-in light shifts from a warm glow to a bright daylight, and the brightness is continuously adjustable from 10% to 100%. Nice for setting the perfect evening vibe. You get both a handheld remote and app control, which work great. The fan even has a reverse mode, ideal for hot and cooler seasons. A couple of things to keep in mind. It's explicitly designed for wet-rated outdoor use, so ensure your setup protects the plug from direct elements. It nods nicely to convenience, style, and function, great for making outdoor spaces feel cooler and cozier. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.